How to fix WhatsApp calls not connecting. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search bar, and search for WhatsApp. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen and open up Settings application. Now go to Apps, tap on App Management and find WhatsApp. Now click on Force Stop. Now click on Data Usage and make sure to keep disable these options. Disable mobile data and disable Wi-Fi and restart the application. I hope this would fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.